Hello, another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question. To find another question from the same topic, click on this information card here. If not, pause the video now to try the question yourself. If you got the answer C, well done. If you didn't, stay tuned and listen to my explanation. The reading on the voltmeter halves when switch S is closed. What is the internal resistance of the cell? Well, when the switch is open, the terminal PD, which is what we can measure with the voltmeter, will equal the EMF. Now, when the switch is closed, some of that EMF, some of that energy per unit charge, will be used up across the internal resistance, which will give the symbol little r. And it's saying that when the voltmeter closes, when the switch is closed, the reading on the voltmeter halves. So that means half the PD, half the EMF will be across the internal resistance, and half the EMF will be across the external resistance. Well, the PD across components, or the proportion, the ratio of the PD across components is the same as the ratio of their resistances. So if the PD across the internal resistance is the same as the PD across the external resistance, then their resistances must be the same. Well, we know the external resistance is 2 amps, so the internal resistance of the battery or the cell must also be 2 amps. Answer C. Hit that subscribe button, watch more in the series, share with friends. Thank you for watching.